time I gave an interview for an internship role at a venture fund.
Yes,
That
that
is
is.
Mount Tech Growth Fund. That is a venture fund.
Mhm.
So it is the first venture fund in India. That is, they have solely dedicated for the defense sector. So, and the chairman was Dr. Raja Kumar. He is now
Mhm.
currently the UPSC chairman.
Mhm.
Dr. Raja Kumar, he was the chairman at that venture fund.
Say
So
MGF,
it was,
MGF
yeah,
Kwacha
MGF
Fund.
Kavach. Kavach, yeah, MGF Kavach. So they have made some investment in the startups like Spacefield and others. So when I joined, they have just registered. Means it have been 3 months. So the group was new. It was new, so they are setting up the office. So it was in Delhi, so it was not much of a change for me. So then
So
I
what
joined
was your
there in the
role there?
office.
Yeah.
So my role was to learn. Suppose any startups comes to them for funding. My role was to access the science side of that startup, about the technology aspect of that startup. So it was like basically a science role. You can say more about how good the startup is,
Doing.
because for funding, yeah, because for evaluating a startup, they have developed the task in four fields. That first we will see how the startup is. We will understand their pitch. Then we will look into the technology side of the startup. Then we will look on the revenue finance side of the startup, that how it is finance side, and then application of the startups in which sector it is going to go. And they all also prefer that if a startup has some products, then it's a benefit from their point of view.
Yeah.
Because right now, yeah,
Hardware like product like.
because yeah,
Yeah.
hardware and software mix, but because they don't want to focus solely on the software
Mhm.
startups. So because having a hardware, they can track if how you are getting, how much you can sell, what is your growth rate, what is the profit margin, so they can sell. And third thing is that how much maturity of the startup is. So for that, first what we do, we have to look into the science side. So I have to prepare like a DD, that is questionnaire. These are the good points of this startup. These are the things that are lacking. These are the questions we can ask from them. How are going to tackle these things in future? So it is like a talk with them.
Okay, so
So
you prepare questions so
no,
that you can ask,
questions, notes,
yeah,
yeah,
you can ask
questions,
to that
notes on
startup
them.
features.
Yeah, yeah.